This trade that I'll analyze in this video is going to be my best trade for this week, and I'm going to be showing you the full breakdown in this video. But before we go into that, if you've seen me for the first time, my name is Divine and I'm a forex trader. What I basically do on this channel is document how I trade, and I'll show you the mindset behind my strategy. If you want to see content like this, I want you to smash the subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment. I'll be right back. Out of the trade that I analyzed this week that I'll be taking, GPUSD seems to be one of the ones that appeared very well and very clear to me, and I'm going to be showing you the breakdown in this video. There are 4 steps you have to always take if you want to analyze a trade. These 4 steps helps you to understand what you're going to be doing next and how you're going to be doing it, and I'm going to be following those 4 steps in this video to show you how I arrive at this GBP/USD setup in this video. Now, the first step will always have to be, now no matter what strategy you're using, no matter what principle you're using, no matter what system you're using, you have to follow these steps. And the first step is to understand where price is going to. And now you can use any time frame you want to use. You can use both daily, you can use both week, anyone you want to use, but you want to understand where price is going to on the higher time frame. I like to always use the daily time frame because I'm a day trader and I like to close my trades before the end of the day. Now, for you to understand how price is moving or where price is moving to, you simply want to use support and resistance. Support and resistance will help you understand where price is coming from and where price is going to. And for you to do it, you want to zoom in properly and see the overall picture of where price is coming from. Now, once you've zoomed in very well, the next thing you want to do is simply use your trend line and identify the resistance level. As you can see, this is a resistance level. Second thing is just also identify support level. As you can see, this is a value support level. And now a value support level or a value resistance level is simply the one that has at least 3 or more touches on it. You can look closely here. First touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch. See all the touches. At least they have at least more than 3 touches on the particular trend. That's the first thing you want to do. Identifying support and the resistance. Then you want to interpret what price is doing. And if you look closely, whenever price gets to support, price likely goes to the resistance. Whenever price gets to resistance, price likely head to the support. In this case here, you can simply see that price has gotten to the resistance level and price heading to support level. Now, for us to know how to do next, we want to simply identify key levels. And if you look closely, here's our key level. And here is our key level. That means we're expecting price to go from resistance key level to support key level. And price is now currently heading to support key level, meaning price in a downtrend. I want to be looking for bearish opportunities. And now for us to identify bearish opportunities, we want to simply understand market structure on the 4 hours time frame. And on the 4 hours time frame, once you understand market structure, you simply identify supply and demand zones. And now for us to identify market structure, we want to simply identify the swing high and the swing low. And if you look closely here, this is a swing low, a swing high, a swing low, a swing high, a swing low, and a swing high. Currently, price is an uptrend, but price have taken out the recent swing low, which is simply here. This is the recent swing low that market structure gave to us, and this is where price simply broke out from. Now, I want to understand what I want to do next by simply understanding if we're going to continue selling to the support level, or price is going to retrace a bit to continue the downtrend. And for us to do that, we want to simply understand how price is behaving since price took out this key level, so this swing low, sorry. Since price took out this swing low, how did price behave since price took out this swing low? Now, since price took out this swing low, price created a high here. Price left a high here. And price gave us this low here. Now, our interest now is to simply understand how price behaved from that high to that low. How did price behave from that high to that low? By simply identifying supply zones from these particular highs. That means if you want to identify supply and demand zone, you want to simply identify supply and demand zone from this particular high here that price left when price took out that low, and this low here. And for us to do that, you can simply say that this place is simply an obvious supply zone here, where price gave us a drop a base, and a drop. So this place is currently our recent supply zone. And what we want to do next is simply go to 1 hour time frame and refine this zone to become a point of interest. Now, if you find this zone to become a point of interest, you want to simply identify liquidity to know if this zone is going to hold or is not going to hold. And for us to do that, we want to simply go to the 1 hour time frame here and refine this zone to become a POI. And if you have to find this zone to become a POI, we'll simply use this particular candlestick here as our POI. That means this place is simply a point of interest, and I want to see price sell from this place if price get to this place here. And you can see currently price has gotten to that place, but price also gave us liquidity or inducement, which can be an equal high or a signal that price is likely going to come back to this place. But before we know if price is still going to come back to this place, we want to understand how price behave from this place to this place that price currently at. That means our interest now is to understand that, okay, price has gotten to this our POI here and price is selling off, but price induced an equal high here, meaning there's liquidity at this point here. There's liquidity at this point here. And we want to simply understand how price behave from this place to this place, so we can know if price is going to continue to the upside or price is going to continue to the downside. And for us to do that, we can simply see that this place is simply a demand zone where price gave us an impulsive move, a base, and an impulsive move. So this place is simply a demand zone, and we want to refine this demand zone to become a POI on the 15 minutes time frame. Then we can know if price is going to continue to the upside or price is going to continue to the downside. Now, if I define this POI here, you can simply see that here is simply the POI where we want to look for a buy opportunity if price come out to this place, because this is simply a rally, a base, and a rally, and it induced liquidity. It induced a demand zone at this place. That means we are expecting a buy if price come out to this place, and currently price has gotten to this place and price look as if it's failing this particular zone here. Now, for us to get an entry on a particular pair, we want to simply wait for price to open tomorrow, be Monday. And if price open tomorrow, we want to see price do two things. We want to see price, first of all, fill this demand zone here and possibly come to this level here. That means we want to see price do any of these two things I want to talk about now. If price does this thing, then we can take a reaction. First, I want to see price fill this particular demand zone here and probably maybe come to this level and induce an equal low, and then retrace back to this level. Then we can look for entry at any of these zone here. And one of the places you can look for entry is to simply look for an entry at this particular level here. This place can be a good entry. Anywhere from this level can be a good entry. But first, before we have an entry for sale, because price is still in a downtrend, and you're only going to become bullish if price take out this high here, fill this POI is here. That means we're only going to look for bullish opportunity or buy opportunities if price take out this particular POI that is here. But if price does not take out this POI, we are still bearish, and we want to be looking for only bearish opportunity. And I'm saying to you that when you want to look for bearish opportunities, if price open tomorrow be Monday and probably completely fail this zone and maybe induce an equal low here, you want to simply wait for price to trade back into any of this zone, and then you look for sell opportunity. Now, if price fails to do that, the next thing you can simply do is this. Now, price have already induced an equal high here with this low that price created on Friday. You can see this here is simply an equal low. Sorry, that means price have already induced equal low here. Now, if price open tomorrow and start going to the upside, you want to simply wait for price to come into a zone, and then you look for a sell opportunity. That means you want to simply wait for price to retrace back into this zone or go back to this zone here, and then you still look for a sell opportunity. Now, the whole idea is this: no matter what price does, if price open tomorrow, we are looking for bearish opportunity unless price take out this particular POI that is here. And if price does not take out this POI, we are still bearish, and our stop loss is going to be at this particular level here or right at the POI. So you can choose to have your first stop loss in this place or at this POI here. But for me, I'm simply going to wait for price to come to this entry. I'm simply going to wait for price to come back to this entry here for a short, and I'm going to put my stop loss above this POI, because if price take out this POI, I'm expecting a bullish movement. And my take profit is simply going to be as far as going to down to this place here as my foot TP. Now, if you look closely here, price also induces an equal high, equal low here. Why am I saying equal high so much? Price also induces an equal low here. Price also induces an equal low as well here. Now, an entry for this pair is simply to wait for price open and do these two things I say a price is going to do, and then look for an entry. That will be all for GPSD. I'm going to see you in the next video. Peace.